we'll teach you C# for Unity. My name is Jose Thomas and I am a Unity software engineer at Imagination Studios, a company based in south of Brazil that develops mobile games and VR games. And in this video, I just wanted to talk to you about what you learn in this course and what you should know beforehand. And if you deal with Unity, it's really key that you know how to code in C#, because as you can see, Unity and C#, that's total profit. Using C#, you have total control over the engine, total control over the game objects, and you really can do whatever comes to your mind. And what to expect from this course? You'll get to know the interface of Unity, you'll get to know C#, and I mean it. You really will learn how to code in C#. This is the real base of this course. You'll also touch a bit of math. You'll learn about algebra and vectors, and trust me, this is really important. You really don't want to adventure yourself in games if you have no knowledge in algebra and vectors. And by the end of it, we'll learn Unity's API, which is basically a set of functions that Unity gives you to make you able to build your awesome games. And since the C# is basically the real difference of this course, and as I told you, you will learn how to program in C#, here are a few of the topics that are covered. We'll go from variables, we'll go to if statements, functions, classes, inheritance, polymorphism. We'll really start simple, but we'll build up to object-oriented programming, which is key for game development, and you will learn in this course. And what you should know beforehand? Nothing. This course covers it all, so you're good to go. So if you want to be a master in C# and Unity, enroll now and let's get started.